So I love the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It has the power with the 888 processor. It has the design, DeX support, wireless DeX support. It has link to Windows and great cameras and everything in between. And now it has SPEN support. But I have an issue. My only issue is that how could I make my Galaxy S21 Ultra a complete Galaxy Note in 2021 with the specs? Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. But look no further. I might have the ultimate solution with the SPIGEN case and the Samsung pen. What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. And I could say my quest is over. Let me explain how I make my Galaxy S21 Ultra now my Galaxy Note replacement with a case and an S Pen. Sit back and relax, get your popcorn ready, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I'm looking for my Galaxy Note 20 replacement, and the Galaxy S21 Ultra may be my replacement for the Galaxy Note. One of my biggest problems with the Galaxy S21 Ultra, even with S Pen support, the pens that the Note has, if you want to get full functionality out of your Galaxy S21 Ultra, is that you need the S Pen. Now the S Pen here, these are small, they don't look that good, they don't feel that good in the hand, especially if you use it for a long period of time. And on this YouTube channel, I always talk about the huge S Pens, well, the huge pens that I use. But one of the issues with a pen like this is that you don't get the functionality of pressing a button and getting a lot of stuff done with the S Pen software. Okay, so I got the SPIGEN case here, right? This SPIGEN case, it supports the pen, right? But not the S Pen, but it supports the Samsung pen. And what I like about the Samsung pen, which I purchased also, it has the button and the S Pen support, and it's a bigger pen and it feels a lot good, a lot better in the hand. So one of the things that I like about this SPIGEN case is that it's come in at a relatively cheap price. I will leave all the links down in the description below. And what I like about this case, that if you buy the S21 Ultra pen from Samsung, it fits really good in the silo. And so at this point, I have a complete setup. And let me go on and put the Galaxy S21 Ultra in here, and I'll give you my thoughts about this. Now, one of my biggest quests was, how could I make the Galaxy S21 Ultra a Note device true and true? And one of the hugest things is the S Pen software. But using the pen like this is fine. You can put it in your bag and you can carry it around with you. But what if you want that all-in-one solution, a complete solution? And this is the solution that I came up with. Well, I didn't come up with, but SPIGEN came up with it and Samsung came up with it. And this case right here works perfectly. So let's go ahead and go over the case. The case have a nice rubber texture in the back. You have a little raised lip to protect the cameras. You got your clicking buttons here on the side, power button, and right here house the S Pen. It gives a little bulk right here on the side to house the S Pen. At the bottom here, you have your cutouts for your speaker grill and your USB Type-C. And it doesn't give you a lot of raised lips. So if you got a glass screen protector on your Galaxy S21 Ultra, it works great. So one of the hugest things that I was kind of on the fence about is, how does it feel in the hand? And I can tell you right now that it feels really good in the hand, and it feels really normal. So it's not too bulky, but it does have a little bulk right here, but it's not too bulky, and this is the perfect solution. Now, in order to take the S Pen out, you can just pull it out like this, and you get all the S Pen functionality, which I like. So now I do have my S Pen functionality here with this pen. And one of the things that I like about this pen is it's bigger. Now don't get me wrong, the build quality could be a little better, but when I write, I wanted to have a bigger pen. One of my biggest issues with the S Pen is, look, for temporary writing, the S Pen is really good. But if you want to use the pen for longevity, I always use this pen. And now since I have this pen that it's a little bigger than the S Pen, I think the problem is solved. S Pen software, if I need to write, if I need to go to my Samsung Notes, if I need to do anything right here, I can get it done. This is what I'm talking about. And then when I'm done with the S Pen, writing documents or signing PDFs, I could just put it right in the silo, right in the side, right here, click it in, and I'm really good to go here, right? And it works out great. Now, as far as the pen coming out, this pen is not coming out. It's really snugged in there, really tight. Now they do have a S Pen Pro that's coming out with Bluetooth connection. I don't know, I really not worried about that because I don't need a Bluetooth connection. I don't use my S Pen to take photos and stuff like that. I am replacing my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with the Galaxy S20 Ultra with the SPIGEN case and the Galaxy Note pen. I will leave all links down in the description below if you want to pick this up. I really do like this case. The pen come in this packaging right here, and the SPIGEN case packaging comes like this. So there it is. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S21 Ultra in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.